All right, it is day 2 of our South Dakota adventure. And today we're looking at miners. Whoa, did I just say that? All right, anyways, we are at this creek, Devil's Bathtub. Supposedly there's a swimming hole, so I look like a tourist about to hit Boca Raton. He looks like a piece of shit.
Can you unlock the car real quick?
Oh, my bad, bruh. Let me grab the key out of my nard pocket. Yeah, this is a croc scenario water crossing. We got these. That is frigid. Feels good, my feet feel alive. Dude's stuck. She's gotta take off the shoes. Just charge right through, no heavy equipment, no underwater Harleys.
There's no underwater Harleys?
Unfortunately.
Oh,
Whoa! My flip-flop almost blew out.
that's not like the third time.
It's almost as if these are not trail rated, but they are.
It's not. Oh, fuck, ow. Now it's
Fuck. Another babbling brook crossing.
The end of it though.
It does look like we have some different geological formations. Damn, yeah, that's why it's like zigging and zagging. Looks like the Zappos shoe logo. Oh wow. there's iron in there. Or copper. I mean copper. There's copper in the rock. Dig it down. Sell it for scraps. This seems like a good way to lose a flip. If you put it in.
Yeah, that shit was gone.
That shit would float away faster than
And you could count to 2.
a kid's dad off to get milk. This way. This looks like it could break away at any moment. Bear prints. I don't think you'd want to fall in there.
I'm putting a flop in and see what happens.
That shit would be gone instantly. Little water bugs. Oh, maybe there's a few little pools. Maybe there's multiple devil's hot tubs. It's definitely not gonna be a hot tub.
It's gonna be a cold tub.
It's gonna be a make your balls feel like frozen cherries tub. Spider web.
If y'all ever seen Seinfeld, there's gonna be some shrinkage.
Got back from swimming in the pool and the water was cold.
You mean shrinkage?
Yes!
Over there. Wow. Hopefully you guys saw fish. Alright, I feel like this has got to be the final destination. Seems to kind of end up here. Camera's rolling.
Oh my god. Yeah. You can go first. I already filmed a waterfall swimming video.
I'm filming. Oh, I already got it in my hand. Oh wow, it is really cold, guys.
kitchen's gotta be 40 degrees.
It's definitely like 40. Yeah, it's 40-ish. Little sunspot over here. A little heated up over here.
Oh my god.
Oh, it actually hurts.
Yeah.
I need to get out. Ow. Oh. Oh. Woo. Oh. Wow.
Oh! Oh, dude!
Oh.
Somebody help!
All right, we're rolling now.
You gotta get the walk up. Oh, dude! Oh my god, it's so fucking cold! Ah!
My feet hurt just standing here.
Oh!
He under there.
Not deep!
What about over there?
Oh!
What about over there? Is it deep?
Fuck, it's cold!
LeBron James satanic ritual. Freemason. Roman chest relief. Exfoliation. Spreading the magic around.
Oh, it's like standing depth.
Yeah. Oh!
It got deep?
Oh, it gets deep! It gets deep! Whoa! I think that's why that stick is there, to get deep. Woo! Woo! I think my froze. Should I? Oh, it's going. I mean, if you jumped in that part, it genuinely might be deep enough.
Oh! 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 Oh!
What's happened?
Oh my god! Look at cold there! Oh my god, my head hurts. Oh! My like head hurts, it got so cold.
What, in that deep spot?
I put my whole body underwater, it's deep enough for that. Oh my, now I kind of hurt. I'm cold now.
Well, I think it's going in the second time that hurts. Possibly.
I feel, you feel good though once you're out the water.
I don't know why I didn't going over there. Does the pain go away?
Yeah.
Capturing fish on GoPro. Where is it? It's right there. I don't know if it's that big. No.
Hello. Where are we?
Freemason Lodge. I mean the center of the America. I mean
We are
center
here.
of the Freemason movement. in the west.
Let's see the sign.
Are my balls gonna tingle if I stand?
Do you feel anything?
No.
You don't feel more centered in life? You don't feel like a more well-rounded person? We just done some think-a-dink-a-linkin'. We're going to North Dakota now.
Surrounded by beefaloes. It's crazy though. It's a lot crazier seeing them in their like out here when you in the wild when you hike out here versus just driving in the road. Yesterday we were at Devil's Bathtub. Today we're climbing the icy spires of Devil's Tower. The protrusion of the devil. And once again, without fail, the United States government has decided to charge us 25 United States dollars to look at a rock. And I know some of you are going to say, well, it's to maintain the grounds of the facility. What the fuck do you need to maintain about a rock?
They need to take our $25 so they can build a pavilion that you can then
Sit and
masturbate at.
you can sit down and absolutely not see the monument.